Yeah, shit. Damn, that one was real low.
It's like a midget's car.
Ford. Look, look at that Corvette. Damn, look at all these cars. Look at that one right there. Look at this one.
Yeah, they have that for sale.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I saw him.
Still beach. But Hawaii, though, I mean, still beach.
Look at this
But
one. Look at that one. Yeah. This one's- These little cars are funny. Oh, I want to go on the other side. New Mustangs. I'm not too fond of them.
what's up with that? These badass cars and then those.
Look at that Cadillac.
Why is that one like really big?
I don't know. Look at that bike. That bike is nice.